How to delete your Instagram account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can delete your Instagram account. So let us begin. So in order to delete your Instagram account, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open or launch your Instagram account, which you can do so by tapping onto the application icon. And now you can see once you are inside the home page, you will need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right. Now in your profile picture option, you will open the profile page, and in your profile page you will need to click onto these three lines present at the top right. Now once you will do this, it will open the settings and activity page, and from here you will need to click onto this your account option or the account center. So click onto this account center, and under account center you can see this section of account settings. From here you need to click on personal details, and inside personal details you need to click on account ownership and control. So simply do that and then choose deactivation or deletion. Once you will do this, you need to select that particular Instagram ID, and then from here you will need to choose the second option, that is delete account. Deleting your account is permanent, and then click onto this continue option. You might need to verify or authenticate yourself, and your Instagram account will be successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.